Okay, so this one is going to be Class Connect for after Labor Day because you just did next week. So the week after that is after Labor Day. That just makes sense. So you're going to create a new session and then you're going to make it assembly like usual. Pardon my son screaming in the background. He's playing a video game. And then you're going to continue. And then it's going to bring you to this screen, right? So hold on a second. Okay, get your phone out and take a picture of this because that's all of the little things that you're going to need. Okay, here's date and time. Make sure you get all that in there. Minutes, the time, it's weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ends on May 25th. Okay, participants, take a picture. You probably already have those, but if you need it. All right, and so then, you just continue and that's it, right? So you're going to do that for phonics, for morning, and for your afternoon. Okay? So then you're going to need to do math the same way. You're going to need to do your morning and your afternoon, and you're going to start these. Whoops. You're going to start these September the 6th. Okay? So here's math. Oh my God, sorry. Seriously. Okay, here's I don't know if you can hear my son. Anyway, here's math, what it should look like. I don't know why I'm holding it on there so long because you're probably going to take a picture. I just thought about that. And then your participants. And then you've probably got several pictures of that. And then, yes. All right, so that was math. Here's story time, calendar time, whatever. There's that. Here's this. Here's this. Remember, make it your own. Like, take all my names and stuff off of it. Okay, so you did phonics, math, story time. That's it. I don't know what this is. So you're done. You finished the rest of them for the rest of the school year. So woohoo! All right. So then after that, I'll show you on making groups. Okay. All right.